So lecture 1.22, problem 1.5, it is on first law for a closed system undergoing process. Problem statement goes like this. In an internal combustion engine, during the compression stroke, the heat rejected to the cooling water is 50 kilojoule per kg and the work output is 100 kilojoule per kg. Calculate the change in internal energy of the working fluid, stating whether it is a gain or loss. Okay. So let us solve this problem. So let us first draw the schematic. We can draw the block diagram. There is an internal combustion engine. Okay. Internal combustion engine. It is always a good practice to in thermodynamics to draw the control volume and control surface. This is control volume and this is its control surface. Control volume is fixed volume and control surface is the surface surrounding the control volume is called as control surface. Now here what is happening? Compression stroke, the heat rejected to the cooling water is 50 kilojoule per kg. So whatever the processes are taking place inside this internal combustion engine, I can also represent them on pressure volume diagram. So what is happening? In an internal combustion engine during compression stroke, heat rejected to the cooling water is 50 kilojoule per kg. So in internal combustion engine, let's say it is petrol engine, mixture of air and petrol is mixed and compressed. So since it is a compression process, initial state will be large volume and low pressure. When it undergoes pressure compression, its pressure will increase and volume will decrease. So this way I can represent compression process of working substance in an internal combustion engine. Now what is happening in this process? The working substance is losing heat and the work input is 100 kilojoule per kg. Please mind well the direction of the arrow. Heat is rejected from the working substance, so the sign is outward, and work is input to the IC engine, so sign of the work input is inward. Okay, and the title of this figure will be internal combustion engine compression process. Okay, now number 2, given. So what is given to you? You have been given that heat is rejected by the working substance to the cooling water. Now cooling water is not the part of IC engine. So heat is actually lost by the working substance to the cooling water. So its sign will be negative. This 50 kilojoule per kg will be minus 50 kilojoule per kg. and work is input. So W122 will be, once again, work input to the system is negative. So 100 kilojoule per kg will be negative, minus 100 kilojoule per kg. Only these two variables are given. I can write one assumption. Given system is closed system, or given system is closed system. Okay. Number 4, find. What you are supposed to find? Calculate the change in internal energy of the working fluid, stating whether it is a gain or loss. So what you are supposed to do? Delta U 12. Now let us do the detailed calculations. Now here what is happening? The working substance of an internal combustion engine is being compressed. So it is undergoing change of state, or it is undergoing a process, compression process. So I can apply first law, isn't it? First law for process. How can I write it? Q122 is delta E122 plus W12, where delta E122 is delta U plus delta Ke plus delta Pe. Here one more assumption I can take: change in kinetic energy and change in potential energy of the working substance is 0. Under such condition, delta E122 will be delta U122. Let's say this is equation number 1. So equation 1 becomes Q122 is equal to delta U122 plus W122. Okay. Q122 is minus 50 kilojoule, delta U122 and W122 is 100 kilojoule. Sorry. Okay. Now please. Now we have been given the value of Q122 as 50 kilojoule per kg, delta minus 50 kilojoule per kg, delta U122, and W122 is minus 100 kilojoule per kg. So delta U122 will be 50 kilojoule per kg. This is the numerical value. So 50 kilojoule, change in internal energy will be 50 kilojoule per kg. Delta U122 is also written as U2 minus U1 is equal to 50 kilojoule per kg. Now positive sign indicates that there is gain in internal energy. So this is your answer and this is your remark. because in the problem it has been asked to calculate numerical value of change in internal energy, as well as you have been asked to comment whether the change in internal energy will be gain or loss. So since U2 minus U1 is equal to positive 50 kilojoule per kg, so positive sign indicates that there is a gain in internal energy. So this way you can solve this numerical.